So I've just gotten this Vise grip, but I'll put the link in below. So it's a mini Vise grip. It's good for like small jobs, and you can really practically use it for anything. It's a cheaper version than a GRS, but you know, it'll get the job done for small jobs, and I think it's pretty neat. So what I'm going to do is, it actually came with some screws, and you know, have all your parts in order to clamp down on all your items that you want to put onto it. So, but I'm going to see how it works. I think it's going to work pretty good. So it's pretty stiff on the movement. So you can see how it's connected, how the ball joints connects and it moves around. But I think it's going to work out pretty good. I hope so. I just need an extra piece to be able to do some small parts around the shop. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill it into the desk and see how it works. Make sure you put it in a position where it's comfortable. All right, that's pretty good. It's in there pretty tight. All right. So normally what you want to do is just twist it like this and to come apart. And you have these little rods that you stick in it, and that's how you just keep some of your items in place. And you can place them all over the place depending on what kind of piece you have. It also comes with a little ring. You know, it's like an example ring. So for example, we'll put it just like this. Let's close it down a little bit. We'll take this piece, put it here. This piece, put it here. Come closer. Do it just like that. So now another way is take it like that. Put it directly inside. Just like that. And you can work on it just like that. So they also give you a L key that comes with it. And this helps tighten this part right here, the ball joints. And you can loosen it, and it helps you shift it around, tighten it up. So if you want your piece to move, and you can do this, give it a little spin. So it works pretty good. I think it's gonna work pretty good. So we're trying to see how it works, but like I said, I'll put the link below in case you want to get this. Like I said, it's really cheap, the cheaper version than all the others. And I think it will get the job done, you know? So for the price, you really can't beat it. It's about, I think, $30 or maybe less than that, but it's pretty good. So I'll put the link below. Let's see how it works if I put a grill inside of it. Normally I would do is this. I would use a block like this. So if I'm diamond setting, I would use a block like this, put some shellac on it, and then connect the grill to it, and then we'll open it up. And place that block right inside and clamp it down. Now you have a block on there, towards though you can connect something to here, just like that, put your pieces on it, and then work on it like that. So that's one way. Let's see what else we can do.
Let's try this. Alright, that's pretty clamp, like that. There you go. Tilt it that way, and do it just like that. Bam, you can actually work on it just like that. So you want to do like something like diamond cuts, then we can go ahead and start adding diamond cuts to the piece using this Vise grip. And it works pretty good. So, there you go.
So you can see the vibration started to moving. So I would just tighten it back up some more and then continue working on the piece. But I think it worked out pretty good. You know, all I just wanted to do is go over some of the diamond dust, but I think it worked out pretty good with it. So what you think? You think this is a pretty good piece? You know, so I'll put the link below. It might be useful for you, but just let me know.